mama's calling, saying, "Hun, I saw you on TV." Now I'm wearing $6,000 pairs of jeans. Are you proud of me? Yeah. I've been so many places I can't even count up. Private jet in style, I'm ready for my close-up. I got a membership to every single yacht club. Aren't you proud of me? Turn that music so loud, so loud. Babe, this show is sold out, so